Hi guys, welcome back to Budget Buying. Today we are checking out the best infrared thermal imager that helps you detect temperature changes with precision and ease. If you need accurate thermal readings for work or safety, this device is worth a look. Let's get started. Let's talk about the Mast-Fui FY10 Infrared Thermal Imager. This device is designed for professionals who need clear thermal images and reliable temperature tracking. It works well for inspections, maintenance, and safety checks in different environments. One of the key highlights of the Mast-Fui FY10 Infrared Thermal Imager is its 240 by 240 resolution with a smooth 25 Hz frame rate. This gives you clear and steady thermal visuals, making it easier to identify problem areas quickly without confusion. Another great feature is the built-in image stabilization. This helps keep the image steady even when your hand moves slightly, so you can get accurate readings without needing perfect control. The temperature alarm system adds another level of usefulness. You can set high and low temperature limits, and the device will alert you if those limits are crossed. This is very helpful when monitoring equipment or checking for overheating issues. The Mast-Fui FY10 Infrared Thermal Imager also includes automatic temperature tracking. It shows the highest, lowest, and center temperature all at once on the screen. This saves time and helps you understand the full thermal situation at a glance. For capturing data, the device makes it simple. A short press takes a picture and saves it directly to the memory card. A long press activates the laser positioning feature, helping you focus on the exact area you want to measure. All captured images are saved in BMP format, which makes them easy to transfer and analyze on a computer. This is useful for reports and detailed inspections. Another helpful feature is its support for multiple languages. With 7 language options, the Mast-Fui FY10 Infrared Thermal Imager is easy to use for people around the world. In terms of design, the device feels compact and solid in hand. It is easy to carry and use for long periods without discomfort. The layout is simple, so you can access features quickly without confusion. In real life, this imager is very practical. You can use it to detect overheating wires, check machinery, inspect buildings, or ensure safety in temperature-sensitive areas. It saves time and helps prevent bigger problems. This product is perfect for engineers, technicians, maintenance workers, and even advanced DIY users who need accurate thermal imaging. This is a smart tool that brings precision to your work. Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your needs. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.